Hello everyone, welcome back to our Crochet Basics. In our last video, we learned how to make a chain stitch. So today we are going to learn the single crochet. This is one of the most important stitches in the crochet. Once you learn it, you will be able to make coasters, bag, plushies, scarves and so much more. So let's get started. So here we have our properties, the hook and the yarn. So let's make our foundation chain for the single crochet. Okay, the slip knot. Okay, just make 15 chains together. Okay. So here we have our foundation chain. We made 15 chains. So let's get started. For the single crochet, we need to skip the first chain from the hook. So we will skip the first chain from the hook, then we will make the single crochet in the second chain. So always you need to skip the first chain to make the single crochet. Okay, so insert the hook into the second chain. Okay, then yarn over, pull through the loop. Okay, so now we have 2 loops on the hook. See, 1, 2, we have 2 loops. Then again yarn over, pull through both loops. See, we have our first single crochet. Let's make the second single crochet. Just insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, then again insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through both loops. See, now we made our 3 single crochet. So let's practice. We can make the single crochet all over the chain. So now let's talk about the common mistakes. The mistake number 1 is crocheting into the wrong chain. So always start the single crochet from the second chain from the hook. Like we need to skip the first chain, you have to start from the second chain. Then the second mistake is pulling your stitches too tight. Like if your stitches are too tight, like it will hard to insert your hook. So try to keep your yarn relaxed. See, we have made the single crochet all over our stitch. Like the foundation chain was 15. Then for single crochet, we skip our first chain. Like now we have around 14 single crochet. See, we made our single crochet. This is the back side of the book. This is the front side. So today you learn how to make a single crochet stitch. So practice this stitch few times before moving on. So in the next crochet basic video, I will show you how to turn your work and crochet the second row. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow the Crochet Basics series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.